everyone, welcome back to Learn with Amine. So today I'm going to talk about the university application fee waiver. Since the time I have uploaded this how to secure university application fee waiver, sample fee waiver request letter for Hamad bin Khalifa University, I received a direct message on Instagram from one of my subscribers that he has submitted this request letter onto the HBKU portal for admission. So first thing to remember is that this is a request letter. It is a letter that you are requesting for a fee waiver for your application. You do not submit this letter in place of your application fee receipt or enrollment fee receipt. This request letter needs to be submitted to the admissions office requesting them to accept an exemption for you so that you don't have to pay the application fee or enrollment fee. So the submission method of this request letter is through email to the email of the admissions department asking them to approve the application fee waiver for you. Now if they are going to approve, then they will provide some approval letter which would state that they are exempting this particular person with name dash and he need not pay the application fee or enrollment fee. That particular approval letter needs to be submitted in place of the application fee receipt in your application for admission. But the request letter should not be submitted as an application fee receipt. So on that, the question that was asked to me was, what is the admission office email for Hamad bin Khalifa University? So for different university, there is different admissions office and there will be different email address. So for this kind of a question, first thing you need to do is you need to go to the website of that particular university and then find the email from the university website. So currently, let us go through the emails that you can contact for the Hamad bin Khalifa University. So this is the website hbku.edu.qa. Then you need to click on contact us. And then as you can see, here is the email addresses. So the president's office is president@hbku.edu.qa. Enablers office and their corresponding email addresses are present here. But for your case, for the admission, like for asking for requesting for the application fee waiver, you need to contact the relevant department, and the relevant department is the admissions department. So let us go through the admissions department. So as you can see here it says colleges and here it says College of Science and Engineering, and then it mentions admissions. Now if you are asking for the admissions department email address, so for every college, for every stream of education, for every program, there is separate admissions department email address. So for example, if you have intention to apply for engineering management and decision sciences and admission of it, and you are requesting the fee waiver, then you need to contact this particular email address. You need to submit your letter that I have presented in my previous video, and you need to submit that letter to this asking for a fee waiver. Now for sustainable development, you need to send the email to this admissions email address. If you are applying to information and computing technology and you want a fee waiver, then you need to submit your letter to this admissions email address. So similarly for College of Law, we have admissions.cl@hbku.edu.qa. College of Health and Life Sciences, if you want to contact admissions office, then admissions.chls. And for College of Public Policy admissions department, you need to contact admissions.cpp@hbku.edu.qa. So this is how you need to search for the email address. Now for the user who has requested me for the admissions email address, I think he is applying to the sustainable development, then you need to contact admissions.csc.sus@hbku.edu.qa. If you want to reach them through phone, then the phone number is 4454 6553. and the international code is +974. So if you want to call, it would be +974 4454 6553. Let us go through their website as well. And here it's the same website, just mentioning the divisions. So this is the email address that you would want to contact. Please send your fee waiver request here, and if they approve, get the approval letter and then submit it as supplemental documentation in your admission application. In case they reject the fee waiver request, then you would have to pay the required amount as enrollment fee or application fee, and then the receipt needs to be submitted as supplemental information. I hope this video is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.